Well, I've been sitting here for a little bit. Oh yeah, by the way, hi. This is the start of a new video. I've been sitting here for a little bit. Probably no trains. I'm going to be honest. There's probably not going to be any trains today. If not, oh well. Y'all don't know, but I actually came here the other day and I saw nothing. So yeah, it's great, isn't it? Yeah, I saw one train. Basically missed it, but yeah, I'm just gonna sit here and hopefully I'll hear something on here. But right now, I've heard nothing yet, just static and just cars driving over. So yeah, if let's see if we can get a train today. I'm hoping I can at least get one or two, but I think I will, but I don't know. All right, let's hope and pray that we'll get one. By the way, it snowed the other day, or literally yesterday. I shouldn't say the other day. I don't know if you can see it right there, but yeah, I wish I would have woke up a little bit more earlier. There was snow everywhere. It was all over here, but yeah. All right, let's hope that we get to see something. Look at that. Helicopter landing. Know what that is there's actually a hospital right over there. All I'm thinking is that there's someone inside that. That's sort of sad. We'll not be able to see it, but shame. Still no trains yet. It's been about, I don't know, about an hour, which I'm surprised. Hoping there's going to be one soon. So, yeah. There's a train. So, yeah, let's see. I just heard it. Freaked me out. Setting up my camera. Well, there it is, folks. There's another one. That's the first one of today. Hopefully we'll get one or two more. It looked like an empty coal train. Pretty cool. Yeah, I heard it from down there. I know I did. So, that's pretty cool. So, yeah. Back to the car we go to wait. There's that crossing again. So, the reason why I sit here is that, I don't know if y'all saw in the video, if you go back and you'll look, you'll see a nice long straight. It is a long straight. They go about 40 through here, or 45. And they slow down when they get to up there, around that crossing. There's a crossing up there that they slow down at. And they slow down, but they go 45 right here. This is a 45, I believe, mile-per-hour zone. It is insanely cool to see these trains go through here very fast. And it's just awesome. We get coal trains, mixed freights, and that's really about it. But you also get the occasional local, and that's really about it. But oh yeah, you also get the DNR, which is that way, in that direction. And you also get the Little Rock and Western, which is in Ola to like Ola, Arkansas, to Little Rock. And if you go and look, you'll see it's a very cool railroad. It's owned by I don't remember who it's owned by, but if you go and look them up, you'll most likely see their old Alco locomotives, which are sadly not around anymore. They think they have like GP38s now and GP40s, and they're all the -2 models, but they're still really cool to see. I've gotten some pretty cool photos of them. Not getting, but gotten some pretty cool photos. But yeah, let's hope for another train. One more thing, I'm gonna try to get out a little bit more to see the trains. I'm gonna try to go and look down the tracks and see if I see a green signal or not. That was completely my fault. I'm really sorry about that. But yeah, even if y'all didn't get to see it, I got to see it, and I'm pretty happy about that. But sorry about that once again. But I'm gonna try to get out a little bit more. I just wasn't expecting it, but I don't even know what time it is. Let me check what time it is, and I'll put it up on the screen when I check it. But yeah, I'm kind of bored just sitting here and waiting. What do y'all recommend to watch? Is there any like YouTube series or anything like that to watch? Because I'm kind of bored, just sitting here and doing nothing basically. But if y'all please recommend me something, because I'm really bored just sitting here, just watching different videos from different creators, mostly train videos. But hopefully, once again, hopefully you get to see something else. This time I'll try to get it. I'm going to get out and look more. That was, once again, my fault. I feel really bad about that. I feel so bad, even though I shouldn't, but I feel bad because y'all didn't get to see it. But I'll go out there and check in a second what the thing is, and if I see anything or not. Yeah. Well, I told you I'd get out. There's nothing down there yet. So, oh well. We'll see what happens. I'll try to get out a little bit more. It won't be every 10 minutes. It'll maybe be every well, no, maybe every 10 minutes, I think. I think that's probably the best. Every 10 minutes or so. Maybe 15. I'd probably go about 15 minutes. That was nothing down there yet, though. No red signal, no signal. So, yeah. Hopefully, we'll get one soon. You can't tell right there. If you can't tell right there, you'll see him in a second. He's pulling away. That's a cop. He saw me walk out and look down the tracks. Thought I was probably gonna kill myself or something. It scared me for a moment. I was like, oh no, I hope I don't get in trouble. I don't think I was doing anything wrong. I was just taking photos of trains. So, but yeah, it's pretty funny. It's really funny watching it, because you got it's just really funny though. He was a really cool guy. We talked a little bit about our hobbies and stuff, but really funny though. Really funny, really good guy. I can't remember his name, but hey, if you see this, man, thank you for being cool about it. But yeah, hopefully we'll get to see something else soon. This is the first time with me dealing with the police. I knew it. But yeah, guys, y'all, please don't do any like illegal stuff. I wasn't doing anything illegal. I just looked down the tracks just to see if I was gonna see anything, but he didn't know what I was doing. I just told him, hey, I just take photos and take videos of trains, and he was really cool about it, and I gotta thank him a lot about that. So really cool though, really cool guy. Thank you, man. There you go. I almost missed it. And look at that. Unbelievable. I didn't even expect that. Rail train. I don't know if I should go chase after it. I might go and do that. I might go and do that just for one moment. I'm gonna go and try to get a photo of it. Let's see if we can go and get it. So, a great day of rail fanning. It was awesome. I really enjoyed that. That was one of the best days I have literally ever had rail fanning. Hopefully, in the future, we could go to somewhere, maybe in North Little Rock. Maybe go to that station in North Little Rock. Yeah, really had a fun time today. That last train, really cool. Got to see so much. Sorry I didn't record the outro, by the way, in my car. I forgot, and I chased it, and I got some photos of it with my camera. But anyways, guys, really hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm not going to sit here and tell y'all to like and subscribe, but if y'all want to, y'all can. But yeah, I really appreciate it. Y'all have a good day. Peace out, guys.